How to create a dynamic progress percentage counter in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to add a text to it which count the percentage of the video. Go to the Effects panel and click on Titles. Drag and drop a text plus into Timeline. With the text selected, open up the Inspector panel. Right-click on the text area and select Expressions. Here in this text box, type time. This will count the number of frames. Divide time by comp.renderEnd, which is the count of all the frames of this text plus layer. Now we have a counter that counts from 0 to 1. Multiply this expression by 100 to get the percentage count. Our number is too long, so put the expression into a floor method to remove other digits and round the number. To add a percentage sign after it, press spacebar, 2 dots, spacebar again, and then enter the text you want into quotation marks. Now adjust the duration of the text to match your video. Make sure to adjust the duration from the right side and do not trim it from the start. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.